2006 or so, I had a test and realized that I had moderate to severe. I tried the CPAP and I could not use that. I would wake up in the middle or subconsciously take it off in the middle of the night. So then at the doctor's office, Dr. Gillum, and introduced me to the Somnamate. It's been great ever since. I guess it's 6 years going now.
Yes.
And I've dropped weight. I've had better blood pressure, less complaints from the family, and I think memory increased, and feel better and not as tired. And that you reminded me of that I wanted to say, a few years before I knew I had this sleep apnea, that I was out sleeping on my stomach with a pillow, and I was hugging the pillow, and that would help me to sleep because I didn't have any other way to do it. And that was my body probably saying that that's the only way I'm going to get a peaceful night of sleep. And I forgot about that, because now that I have the appliance, I can sleep anywhere sitting. I can sleep on my back, I can sleep on either side or on my stomach. But that was the way I slept for years, because I had such a problem that, subconsciously I knew I had it, but, until I did something about it, then it get corrected.
Your results have been truly impressive, because your level, for those of out there in the audience that understand numbers with sleep apnea, you had an AHI of about close to 30, which puts you in the moderately severe area where doctors are hesitant about thinking that oral appliance will even work. So, but when we did your home sleep study, sometime later, your AHI was 1.7. So that's truly an impressive change. And we can't promise that result with everybody, but it's just important for people to know that just because you have severe sleep apnea doesn't mean that you might not do really, really well with an oral appliance. What would be your advice to someone who's kind of out there considering an oral appliance?
Definitely try it. The other option was surgery, and I've heard people have gone through that and have had it done twice, and it's not necessarily a permanent fix, where this is something that is very comfortable. Once you get used to it and how to take care of it, it's very easy to take care of, and it's just the benefits as far as the other things that go with it just outweigh anything else out there, I believe. I think I use it every night. I very rarely ever do not use it unless I forget it when I'm traveling, and when I do, I miss it.